Hey guys, today let's make this pen stand out of this origami. There's 6 slots so you can put anything in it. You can organize it into 6 slots, so that's the best part. So first let's get out everything so that I can show you guys how it looks like. This one, I use it for like 1 year now, so it's pretty it's red, but today I'm gonna also show you guys where to tape the tape so that you can use it for a long time. First, I'm gonna be using 2 types of origami. They're both from Daiso, but one I'm gonna use wooden grain shiogami that has 100 papers in it for $1. Next, I'm gonna use also the Daiso, but the texture is like the mix of origami and cloth, so I really like this origami. There's like 16 for $1, so it's pretty expensive, but it's really good texture. You can really see it's like cloth. It's really easy to fold, so I really like it. I'm gonna use 1 each of the wooden one. We have 25 each, so they're pretty like cheap with good quality. So the white one, the wooden one, the light wooden one, and like like the cafe deck wooden one. I don't know, that is just like my imagination of this color. So you need 6 origami paper. Next you'll need glue. Any glue is fine, stick, liquid, but I'm gonna be using this dot liner tape glue. Next you'll need scissors to cut. You'll also need a clear scotch tape. Clear is the best because you want to make it natural. Next you'll need a paper for the bottom of your pencil case. I'm going to be using the index card, but maybe something firm is the best. So first, I'm going to show you how to make the single piece. First, put the white surface on the top and make a square by folding the edge and the edge together. Now you want to make another rectangle by putting that edge and the edge together. So when you open it, you'll see like 4 lanes, and you'll do the same thing but on the other side. Make sure you do it neatly so that you won't mess up afterwards as usual. Now open it up and put the corner to the first cross that you see in the box. Here. And do the same for all 4 sides. You should see the lines really easily because you just put the lines in. Now fold inward with the line supporting you. put it inward like this, and it should be like this. Now flip it back and put it vertically and put the bottom edge to the middle edge or the middle line. It should look like this, and do the same thing for the other side. It should look like a square in the middle. And now put a line in the middle, and you should make a triangle by putting one side of the paper to the other inside like this, and slide the paper slowly to make a triangle. It should look like a square, and it should look something like this. It should be like a perfect triangle. You want to make all the same. 2, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. Make sure you do this neatly for all. And once you're done, put your glue on to the surface without the square. So the two surface that is colored completely. This part. So I'm gonna put it like a square. So vertical, vertical, horizontal, horizontal. So I'm gonna put the horizontals. It's really hard to do the horizontal up there. Well, the bottom part is easy, but the top part is the hardest. And now you want to glue it with another piece so it looks like this. Repeat that process until all of the pieces come together into one pencil case. Make sure you don't forget to glue everything and you do it neatly. Now you want to cut the bottom paper into a hexagon, so you want to trace the paper using your pen and your pencil case. It should look something like this. It's okay if it's messy because it won't really show. And cut it very carefully and use your scissors neatly so that you won't mess up. Once your hexagon is complete, then you'll want to tape that hexagon bottom to your pencil case bottom. See where it matches the best, and you'll want to tape it together. I'm still finding where it actually fits the best. Again, when you find the best spot for your pencil case bottom, then tape it neatly and cut out the excess so that it won't be too big or too small. I'm gonna also tape the top part because I don't want it to rip again like my old one. I'll also show you guys where I actually taped it. So now I'll show you guys where I actually taped it. So I covered the bottom with tape and I put tape on every edge on the top and between the two parts. So between all the two parts of the pencil case. And now, like this one, I didn't tape it, so it just ripped. So I didn't want that, so again, I taped that part. Also, for the old one, the edge is round because I put too much in it. But the new one, it's really straight, so to keep that, I just put tape in it. So after that, I cut my other origami papers, the small one, to fit the pencil case, and I put my pencils in it. It looks like this, and it's really cute and simple. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch my other videos. Bye!